train to nowhere, in another nightmare, in a dream about falling for someone, taking it back to my room, tangle up in her hair, and believing everything goes and then anything more is alright. On a road to somewhere, where it goes I don't care, but it keeps on winding and winding and winding away. Sitting next to me, I love the senorita's reality way in the back of my mind. I'm under the influence I find, it's all in my mind.